Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Windows 11 echo issue in voice and video calls. Fix it now. First method is change input and output devices settings. Second method is change control panel input and output device settings. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.